In this video, we show how to replace memory in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover and then the air shroud. To remove the memory module, gently push the tension clip outward. Once released, lift the module straight out of the socket. To install the memory module, align it with the socket. Then press it down firmly until it clicks into place and the retention clips lock it in. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.